Have you ever fallen in love with a character while drawing them? Because I think I just did. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm finally revealing the character design for the main male lead of my upcoming webtoon. I wanted to make sure I really understood his vibe, so I created a full character sheet. First, the angles. Here he is from the front, side profile, and three-quarter view. You really need these to keep him consistent throughout the comic. Next, expressions. I sketched him happy, angry, and, well, that cold Duke of the North look we all love. Finally, the outfits. I designed 2 or 3 different looks for him, casual wear versus his formal attire. It really changes his whole aura, doesn't it? Here is the fun part for you. I've actually uploaded these clean line art images to the community post section of this channel. Please go check it out. You can download them and use them to practice your coloring skills. Feel free to experiment. Give him crazy hair or a different skin tone. I really want to know what you create, so tell me in the comments if you try it out. By the way, if you are inspired to create your own webtoon or Chinese manhwa, you don't have to do it alone. I have curated a specific webtoon playlist right here on my channel. It has all the insights, the process, the resources, and everything I've learned in one place. It's a roadmap for beginners, so definitely binge watch that if you want to start your journey. And if you have any questions or doubts about the process, let me know in the comments below. I read them all. Okay, for the legends who stayed until the end, here's a special bonus. I took my line art and ran it through an AI animation tool, just for educational purposes. Look at how he moves. Seeing your character in motion really helps you understand their 3D form better. Now, he looks great in black and white, but do you want to see him come alive? I'm planning a part 2 where I show you the full coloring phase. But it's not just coloring. I'm going to teach you color theory for character design. Think of it like makeup. Whether you're a guy or a girl, coloring a webtoon character is basically applying makeup. The blush, the highlights, the shadows, that is what makes a character go from okay to absolutely handsome. If you want to see that transformation and learn my coloring secrets, comment part 2 down below, and I will definitely make it happen. Thanks for watching and keep creating.